So you're trying to replace the earpads on your Turtle Beach Gen 2 headphones and you don't really know how? Well, you've got to the right spot. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Turtle Beach Gen 2 headphones. In this video, I'm going to be using the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2. By the way, any other model that is going to fit the same method of installation is going to show up on the right side right now. Before we start, we ask you to please like our video and subscribe to our channel, as it will help us with the work we do on this channel and for more people like you to find this video in the search results. Now let's get on to the video. Okay, so let's start. The first step is going to be removing the old earpads. You're gonna simply do it by holding the earpads like this with your fingers inside and your thumb on the outside, and you're just going to pull it out. All right, so as you can see, the way that these earpads are installed is by inserting this little backside lip into this gap that you have right here. Now, let me show you how to put them back on. For this, I'm going to use our Black Camo upgraded gaming earpads. Now, as you can see, it's not the same shape, but it doesn't matter because eventually it fits the same way. So, I like to start from the top. We're going to basically hold the cup with your hand, and then you're going to take the other hand and hold the earpad like this. What you want to get is at least the top side of the lip inside. So once you have it inside, see how I slip it just like that? You're going to grab it with your free index finger and you're going to hold on tight to it. If you don't hold on tight and you try to stretch the entire earpad to fit, you're just gonna lose all your progress. So every time I'm gonna move on, I'm just gonna keep pressure on it and then switch and keep stretching the earpad, and it eventually just follows in. Once it's in, I'm gonna take a card, some credit card or whatever card that you have that's a little bit firm, and I'm just going to tuck it in. By the way, even if you're not going to use our earpads, going to be the same method, but you're going to make sure, if you're going to get the original earpads from Turtle Beach, there is a left and a right for them, so you can see basically the left and the right, but the shape of it. So the shape has to basically just fit the cup. So let me show you how I'm going to do it with the original Turtle Beach. So the same thing, I'm going to start from the top, get a part of it inside, hold on to it, and then I'm just going to stretch it out, and it will fit in. And then again, just going to tuck it in a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Now that wasn't too bad, wasn't it? By the way, if you want to try our upgraded gaming earpads, whether it be velour, black camo, red camo, whatever other design that we have a coupon especially for you. Simply click the link at the top right corner right now and go grab your coupon. And that is it for today's video. I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that you know now how to replace the earpads on your Turtle Beach Gen 2 headphones. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us by simply dropping a comment in the comment section below. If you want to contact us directly, we have our contact information in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. Now go out there and enjoy your new cushions.